don't buy it. Watch our video till the end so you won't make any mistakes and you'll see exactly which tool is better for you. We'll share our own experience. So let's get started.
If you're choosing between Crypto.com and Bitstamp for fiat on-ramp services, here's my honest experience after using both for about 6 months. Starting with Crypto.com, this platform is very beginner-friendly and designed to make fiat to crypto conversion as smooth as possible. You can deposit using cards, bank transfers, and even Apple Pay in some regions, which makes getting started really easy. I also liked how fast the onboarding process is. You can go from sign-up to buying crypto in minutes. The app is polished and has a lot of extra features like a Visa card, staking, and earn products. The downside? Fees can be a bit higher depending on your payment method, and the spread on instant purchases isn't always the best. Now, Bitstamp. This is one of the oldest crypto exchanges, and it feels more traditional and focused. Fiat on-ramps via bank transfer are very reliable, especially for EUR and USD users. I found the fees to be more transparent and generally lower than Crypto.com for standard transfers. It also feels very stable and trusted, especially if you're moving larger amounts. But the trade-off is that it's much more basic, fewer payment options, a simpler interface, and not many extra features beyond trading and deposits. Quick pros and cons. Crypto.com, very easy onboarding, multiple payment methods, feature-rich ecosystem, but higher fees and less favorable spreads. Bitstamp, low and transparent fees, strong reputation, reliable bank transfers, but limited payment options and a more basic platform. What should you pay attention to? First, how you plan to deposit. If you want instant card payments and speed, Crypto.com is more convenient. Second, cost. For larger bank transfers, Bitstamp is usually cheaper. And third, your overall goal, because Crypto.com is more of an all-in-one crypto app, while Bitstamp is more focused on pure exchange functionality. Final verdict. If you want the fastest and easiest fiat onboarding experience, Crypto.com is the better choice. But if you care more about low cost, reliable bank transfers, and a trusted exchange history, Bitstamp is the stronger option.